Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a great day. So, today I am going to be unboxing the June Ipsy Glam Plus bag. This is it's a bag, but it comes in a box. So, this is the medium size one. You get five full size products for $25. The smaller bag has mainly deluxe size products, and it retails for $12 to $13. And then they have Ipsy Bag Ultimate, which has 12 full size products for $50. So I got the medium size to try out. I actually am refilming this video, hence the swashes, because my upstairs neighbors sounded like they were literally jumping up and down on their floor. So I got my broomstick and it's a little bit quieter. But anywho, let's get right into it. I am wearing some of the products on my face, so I'll let you know which ones. The first thing I see is Making Waves. It has, there they go again. Sorry. Reality of living in a city and living in an apartment building is neighbors. Anyway, 5 tips on sunscreen. Very good to know. Very important. I wish I would have listened to my mom and not gone tanning when I was younger. So every box also comes with a bag. If you have the bigger box, the $50 box, you get a bigger size bag. They all have this pattern, but there's some boxes that have different color background. I think this is super cute. It's super summery, and I like the diversity of it. So you always get one of those. I used to have a subscription to the smaller Ipsy regular glam box, and I have a bunch of little makeup bags all over the place that I never really use because I already had makeup bags. But you never know, if you're a teacher or you're an aunt or your daughter, you could gather up little treats there. So the first thing that's on top is this Wonder Beauty Wondrous Seascape. I am wearing this on my eyelids. So this is what the shadows look like. Champagne Harbor, Sea Salt, Golden Reef, Sand Dollar, Seafoam, and Coastal. So I actually swatched. Right here, I have that bottom shade is the Seafoam. It looks almost greenish in the palette, but it comes out sort of a very gold. And then the Coastal color, I'm a little bit disappointed in it. I thought it would have more shimmer, and it almost looks like a dark gray. On this arm, I swatched the non-shimmery color, the Sand Dollar. And then I have this lightest color. It's right there. Then the medium color. This kind of pinky color. And then that is the Golden Reef. So I tried to do my makeup with this palette. I did the lightest color around here, very shimmery as you can tell. I took the Golden Reef, and did that. And then I tried to use this color on the edges and to line. It's been probably 4 hours since I did my makeup. It did not come out as well as I had hoped. Like I said, I thought this would be a little bit more shimmery, but I think some of it is user error. So the next product we have is a liquid liner, and I swatched it right there. I do have it on my eyes. It's black. It is a nice, not too thin, not too thick. I like it because it's stiff, so it's not moving around my eye. It is not my most favorite eyeliner I've ever used, but it's definitely not the worst. I do have a ton of liquid black liners, but I'm happy with this product. This is a hit for me. So we also received the High Def Defining Mascara, and I totally dropped it on the floor when I was filming it the last time. So this is beauty for real, okay? It's not beauty for fake, it's beauty for real. So this is a little tiny mini wand, as you can tell. It's silicone, and I always wipe the edges like this before I put on my mascara. I did not like this. I think it's really clumpy. I only used one coat, and it just was a total no for me. I do like testing out new mascaras in these boxes because you just never know. I just had higher hopes for it because it was a tiny one, but I just prefer not silicone. I prefer the brushes. So makeup beauty for real? No. Then the next thing I received is the Grace and Stellar This Rose Ain't Thorny. Huh, that's cute. Every rose. And okay, how cute is this box? It says, good choice, winky face. This is not a product that I would buy on my own. However, that's kind of the point of these boxes, is to get some products I would use daily, like, well, not this mascara, but the eyeliner. This palette has some colors that I would never pick up on my own, like this, and perhaps this gold, but it also has palette colors that I would use every day. So that's the good thing about these boxes. I must say though, you are to put your face oil on and then use this. It does feel good, and it's been sitting at room temperature, and it feels good when you come inside because it feels nice and cool. So I would imagine if you kept it in the refrigerator, how nice that would feel coming back in from a humid day outside. I am so sorry. There's construction site. I live in a Midwest city, and construction season, summer season, construction season. So the last product I got is this Laura Geller Sparkle Mist Restore Spray. It's coconut water mist, and it says it prime, sets, and refresh. I have not tried this. I wasn't too excited to get this product. Nothing against the product or the brand. I just have so many setting sprays. But let's test this. Okay, good. Sometimes you don't want that direct. It smells good. I typically don't like coconut oil, but it smells good. It smells very fresh. I maybe got a little much, but I like this. It feels actually better than other setting sprays I have. I have the All Nighter Urban Decay one, and I have some other setting sprays that I feel like move around my makeup or smudge my eye makeup, but I like this. It's pretty good. This might move to the top of my favorite. So that is my June Ipsy Glam Plus bag. Please subscribe to my channel if you like what I'm doing here. I should have 2 or 3 more boxes coming in June. Waiting on those. My neighbors have received theirs, and my sister has received hers. So I'm just waiting BoxyCharm. But yes, so comment below if you like any of these products, if you are liking your Ipsy bags, whatever size you have. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.